Well, hello again, fabulous fourth graders. Welcome to day 3, and it's Wednesday, our Math Meets Literacy Day. And you know what that means. Yeah, it's that day where we take a little bit of math and mix it with a little bit of reading for a fun-filled day of learning. So for the past 2 days, we've talked a lot about graphs, ways to collect data, ways to organize the data, ways to represent the data. And then yesterday, we ended with interpreting data by making observations and inferences. And so today, it's only fitting that we listen to a story about graphing. The title of the story is called The Great Graph Contest, written and illustrated by Lauren Leedy. Okay, let's take a look at what this book is all about. Here's our summary. This book is about Gunk the Toad and Beezy the Lizard competing to create the best graph. Gunk and Beezy continuously try and outdo each other by making bar graphs, picture graphs, pie graphs, and other types of graphs. When all of the graphs are complete, Chester the snail will judge all of the graphs to see who is the winner of the Great Graph Contest. Who do you think will win? Well, I guess you'll have to listen to find out. So, listen to the video or listen to the story, and when the story is over, join me so we can complete the rest of the lesson. I'll see you in a moment. Welcome back. How was the story? I thought it was kind of cute myself. So let's get started. Our I can statement for today is I can collect, organize, represent, and interpret data in bar graphs and line graphs. Sounds familiar? Yes. We're continuing with the learning, collecting data, organizing, representing, and interpreting data in bar graphs and line graphs. It's just that today you're going to be doing a lot of this on your own. Okay? So here's your task. Think about the story now. Use information from the story to create your own question. Remember in the story, they had come up with their own questions, their own graphs. So now is your time. You're going to use that information. You can use the pictures, you can use all the other information, but what is another question you can create from the information or the pictures they showed in the story? Then organize, represent, and interpret the data in a bar or a line graph. Let me show you what I mean by that. So remember in the story, they were having a debate about the cookies. So here's the picture, okay? I'm going to use that picture to begin creating or formulating my own question. So my question is, what is the favorite cookie? Or which cookie is your favorite? So they decided to ask the question, are there more chocolate chip than sugar cookies? So they were doing a little bit of comparing. So my question is different. My question is, which is the favorite cookie? So with that being said, I've created my own chart, my own table to organize the data. I'm still using sugar, oatmeal, chocolate chip. Here's the catch. I didn't fill it in because I didn't want you to use this. I want you to create your own. So here's my chart. Sugar, oatmeal, eventually chocolate chip, and then complete the data. And then take that information to represent it in the graph that best fits. And in this case, it's a bar graph. So here is my example of a bar graph that I've started with my title and both vertical and horizontal axis, okay? Here are my intervals. I'm counting by twos, and eventually I will take the information or take the data from my table to represent it in a bar graph, okay? So that's what I mean by using the information from the book to create your own, okay? Got it? Okay, good. I even have a little something for parents and families. So now, once you're done with that task, Here's something else you can do with your family. Have a little contest of your own. Okay, so parents, ask your child what kind of information they would like to record. So now here's the time for you to come up with your own question, your own graph. Help your child create a sheet to record data on their topic. Your child can collect data by surveying family members and friends. Once their data is collected, have your child record the information onto the type of graph of their choice. So again, this is something separate. So first task you're going to complete using the information from the book. This task is now of your own creation. Have a little fun. See who can come up with the best graph. Maybe you want to compete against a friend or a sibling, and then have your parents judge. Or maybe you even want to compete against your parents. Here's the fun part. Family time recording. Share your work. Record you and your family talking about your graph. If they are unavailable, feel free to share how they've helped you complete the home connection assignment. Remember, that's the second assignment. The first assignment is you using the information from the story to create a graph. Then the second assignment, hey, get your family involved. Share your work. They can sit right next to you as you're talking to the camera on Flipgrid about your graph. Or if they're unavailable, hey, you just share your graph and tell how they have helped you create it. Okay? And that's it. And I think we're done for today. Have fun with your family, have fun creating the graphs, and I'll see you soon.